What about him?
He'll fall for it. He'll fall for it. Dad, जरा कर दो. छोड़ छोड़. अरे यार. ठीक है. हाँ बक्स. माँ, skip read से पहले ना we'll be asking you some questions and also asking you to close these cabinets. तो वो देख लेना.
हाँ, cabinets तो बंद है.
हाँ तो could you open them?
क्यों?
It's nothing. बस एक experiment.
हाँ. माँ, could you open all of them? ऊपर वाले.
अरे she can't do it. Let me
No,
do
no,
it. Let me
Dad.
do it.
Just let her do it. No, it's important.
No, he's right. You know I can't बेटा. तुम्हें पता है मेरी बैक में प्रॉब्लम है.
Let's just try. अगर ज़्यादा दिक्कत होती है आपको, फोर्स नहीं करेंगे.
Beta, you know she can't do it. As it is, you put her in such a difficult situation.
Dad, I know situation tough है, but it's for the sake of the project. I hope you understand.
Try and do it.
So, which scene are we doing first after the questionnaire?
अच्छा माँ, turn to page number 12. हाँ, तो we'll be starting off with this.
Oh, I remember these.
See, that's nice. हम इन्हें क्वेश्चन के बाद प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, ओके?
Okay.
Guys, are we good to go? Yeah. Okay. I think we are going to start. आपका नाम क्या है?
Madhu.
What are your hobbies?
I like to watch K-dramas.
बस एक?
हाँ.
Okay. What are your qualifications?
Graduation Stephen से की थी and schooling केंद्रीय विद्यालय से.
That's nice. How was the experience?
अच्छा था. It was nice.
अच्छा, are you comfortable discussing more of your schooling?
What do you mean?
I mean in detail about your school या college life या फिर you know कोई memorable incident?
I don't know. There wasn't much. मैं स्कूल जाती थी और फिर घर आके माँ की डिनर बनाने में हेल्प करती थी. It was the same in college.
Weren't you involved in other fun things?
No, my mother wouldn't allow it.
तो आपने seriously कुछ नहीं किया? Alcohol, cigarettes?
किया है but ज़्यादा नहीं. I remember this time when I was trying to sneak out of my hostel and the warden saw me. मैं तो भाग गई. I wasn't into drugs or anything extensively, but that night I think someone kept a paper on my tongue. It was fun. I remember jumping a lot and also my head was spinning.
Madhu, why are you telling them all these stories? Huh?
It's fine, उसको पता है वैसे भी. That was the day that Rima auntie passed out.
आपको मर्दों के साथ रहना कैसा लगता?
मतलब?
माँ, उसके कहने का मतलब है कि आपको मेरे और डैड की वजह से कैसा लगता है? Just that.
अच्छा लगता है. I feel safe.
Right. Could you close one of the cabinets, Ma? नहीं माँ ऊपर वाला.
अरे रहने दो. Keep sitting. Keep sitting.
आपके फादर के साथ आपके रिलेशन कैसे थे?
हमारी ज़्यादा बात नहीं होती थी, बट ही वॉज ऑलवेज नाइस टू मी.
क्या वो आपको मारते थे?
You don't have to
It's
answer that if
okay.
you're not comfortable.
हाँ, बट वो तो सबके साथ होता है.
तो आपको लगता है सब कुछ सही है? एंड बाय द वे, हैज अंकल एवर हिट शौर्य? या फिर आपने कभी शौर्य के लाइक यू नो
माँ वाटर.
It's okay.
Okay, moving on. Please close one of the cabinets for me. आपने शादी कब की थी?
1996 December.
So, I'm assuming it was arranged.
Yes.
आपने शादी की क्यों? Did you have any reason?
My parents thought it was a good time.
Do one thing. Please close one of the cabinets for me on the upper level.
Why can't she close one of the lower cabinets? What's this cabinets business all about? What's it got to do with the questionnaire?
डैड हमारे पास टाइम थोड़ा कम है. आई जस्ट कम बैक टू दीज क्वेश्चंस व्हेन वी आर डन विद एक्सरसाइज.
But what about you? Did you ever think it was a fair idea?
I don't know.
Well, why don't you take your time and, think about the reason?
I mean, why do you want to know?
And nothing special. It's a warm-up exercise.
Does she
An
have to answer
activity
all
which
these
actors
questions?
या
तुम दोनों कर क्या रहे हो?
डैड ये सिंपल सवाल है.
Why are you asking?
वी जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट हाउ शी फील्स. कुछ गलत है उसमें? एंड वंदित ने बताया ना, इट्स एन एक्सरसाइज जो एक्टर्स यूज करते हैं वार्म अप के लिए.
So, do you mind answering the previous question?
Look, honestly, I have never given this much thought.
कोई बात नहीं. Why don't you put on your thinking cap right now?
Okay. मुझे शादी नहीं करनी थी. I wasn't ready for it. But with time, I guess it's fine.
ओके गुड.
So, how do you feel about your son?
Can we stop for a minute or two?
क्यों?
I'm not comfortable. मधु
But
तुम
you're not
क्या
the
बोल
one
रहे
who's
हो?
What do you feel about your son?
इट्स ओके मैम. आपको जो समझ आ रहा है वो बोलने की कोशिश करें. टेक योर टाइम.
Um, we've had issues in the past, but I think with time हमारा relation improve हुआ है.
How lovely. What issues did you have in the past?
As he aged, we grew closer.
You know what? Please close one of the cabinets on the upper level. And when you come back down and sit on that chair, why don't we try that question again?
Will you just shut up about these cabinets?
डैड अगर आपको इतनी प्रॉब्लम है यू कैन जस्ट लीव.
Are you deaf? Do you hear how he's talking to your mother?
Shaurya, clearly you've spoken to him. And at this point, I think I understand, but you don't have to do this, you know
Ma,
that,
could you
right?
just close one of the cabinets so that we can proceed? Vandit?
So, what issues did you have in the past?
I felt like his father had a say over him. Sometimes I felt like they're the same person.
And what is the reason behind it?
वो 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 सांस नहीं लेने देते किसी को.
Stay
Madhu,
out of it. बोलने दो ना.
just stop this nonsense. I can't take this
Can you
bullshit
just
anymore.
back off for now?
I need a break. Can we take a break, please?
Of course.
Madhu, Madhu.
Think it's a joke to you, no? Or is it a joke?
Exposing all the inside things of the family here.
What are you going to do? Hit me again?
You shouldn't have gone out with this silly bruise on your face.
Whose fault is that? You're the one that.
Put some makeup on it or something.
Please.
You shouldn't have done this whole thing.
Wow. अब ठीक हो?
Can you just move on?
How long before this ends?
आप चिंता मत कीजिए. See, we are coming close to the end.
नहीं, मेरे पास कुछ सवाल हैं. How many times has he made you feel like shit?
Should I come this one too?
हाँ.
God, just stop this.
बेटा मुझे पता है.
पता है.
Madhu. Madhu. तुम्हारा दिमाग खराब है क्या?
Yeah, just stay out of it.
Do you think मैं यहाँ शांति से खड़ा रहूंगा? तुम्हें पता है सिचुएशन क्या है? And still you're pushing her.
You so numb. आप सुन तक नहीं रहे थे वो क्या?
Just look at her. She doesn't deserve this. She doesn't belong here. तुम्हें पता है चीजें इतनी खराब है and you chose this moment.
क्यों है? क्यों है? चीजें खराब क्यों है, Dad? Were you even listening to what she was saying? वो क्यों रो रही है?
She's crying because of you. ये जो तुमने बकवास करी है, it's all your fault.
See, I can play this game with you all you want, but I don't want to. You're so oblivious. Are you really unaware of your presence? आप जब भी